Malik. Best regards from Poland. My name is Anna Kalinka. I'm a scientist and I work at the University of Szczecin in Poland. I have a PhD in biology and I do research in the field of genetics. In this difficult time of coronavirus pandemic, I would like to share some knowledge with you. First of all, beside well-known genetic code, which is constant and stable during our lives, there exists the second code. It is called the epigenetic code. Epi means above. So it is above genetics, and hence it should emphasize how important it is. In the genetic code, in our DNA, all the proteins needed by our bodies are encoded, either structural or functional, like enzymes or antibodies. But it is the second code, the epigenetic code, which determines which gene is expressed and to what extent, more or less. Epigenetic code is nothing but some chemical modifications of the DNA in proteins which are bound to DNA into a specific structure called chromatin. The pattern of these modifications is very complicated. Different combinations of these chemical moieties regulate in appropriate direction the genetic code. What is the most important? In contrast to genetic code, epigenetic code is strongly influenced by the environment. Environment in wide meaning. For example, what we eat, what we think, how long we sleep, how active we are, if there are any toxins in our food or in the air we breathe. You can influence your epigenome by your lifestyle, spiritual practice, diet, etc. It means that we have a huge impact on the functioning of our bodies and thus on health. Thanks to the appropriate lifestyle, we can avoid many diseases. Just imagine, half of all cancer cases are because of epigenome dysfunction, not only mutation in the DNA. There exist many scientific proofs that whatever we do in every minute of our lives can significantly affect the expression of genetic information and thus the functioning of our body, its health or disease. Moreover, a pregnant woman has a huge impact on the health of her child and even grandchild. The bad or good influence depends to great extent on you. So keep in mind that external and internal environmental stimuli can modify the epigenetic profile of a gene, directly influencing its expression and ultimately, for example, immune system. The epigenome connects the genome with the environment and determines its functionality. So many elegant studies have been performed to analyze the influence of different environmental factors. First of all, I would like to say about diet. Diet is a very important factor. There is even a discipline called nutrigenomics. We study what type of food and which nutrients are necessary for the maintenance of appropriate epigenome patterns and hence for health. Remember, diet is extremely important. There are many nutrients that should be present in our diet. Therefore, varied, healthy food has a positive effect on health. avoid highly processed food, avoid sugar. Do not eat spoiled food contaminated with toxins. Try to reduce wheat flour, because the protein of wheat has a bad influence on the immune system. Diet should be based on vegetables, fruits, and grains. You can supplement some vitamins if your diet is not varied enough, especially vitamin C, D, and folate. Very important for our immunity system are bacteria, which normally exist in our intestines. If the composition of the bacterial flora is disturbed, or there are too few bacteria, we can be very susceptible to diseases. Therefore, it is worth supplementing good quality probiotics for a longer time. For these bacteria, food fiber is important, so eat vegetable food that is rich in fiber. The second factor are physical exercises. It has been shown that even 20 minutes a day of physical exercises have a positive influence on the second cold and thus also on the immunity system. Moderate exercises such as swimming, yoga, tai chi, dancing are best. Happiness hormones are released thanks to the exercises, and they reduce the stress level, which is one of the worst factors which negatively influence our minds and bodies. And that's why the last factor which I'm going to tell you about is stress. It is a very important negative factor. It has a huge negative impact on the epigenome, functioning of the whole organism, including the immune system. And especially the long-lasting stress is worst. It causes deregulation of the whole organism. Stress hormones have a destructive effect on the body. The immune system is significantly lowered, and there are unfavorable changes in the second cold. Thus, you should do whatever you can to avoid stress. Breathing exercises are very powerful. Contact with nature is calming and healing. Be positive. Don't worry about the things over which you have no influence. Avoid people with negative attitude. They are very toxic and can poison your mind first and therefore your body. But the best medicine for stress is, of course, meditation. Practice meditation regularly. I can assure you that there are many scientific proofs that meditation has significant positive influence on our epigenetic code, physiology, and hence our health and well-being. Following the teaching of our beloved Sadhguru, we work not only on our spirituality, but also on our body and health. Wish you all the best. Atma Malik.
आत्मा मालिक। अब इसके बाद आत्मचिंतन एवं ध्यान का पाठ होगा।
Now we will follow this session of meditation.
ध्यान के लिए आसनस्थ होकर सीधे बैठ जाइए।
Sit down comfortably and straight in any asanas.
अब दोनों हाथों को दोनों घुटनों पर ज्ञान मुद्रा में रख दीजिए।
Keep your both hand on both knees in Gyan Mudra.
अपनी आंखें बंद कर दीजिए। भीतर उतरकर हृदय चक्र पर आत्म रूप का चिंतन एवं ध्यान कीजिए।
Slowly close your eyes and try to concentrate on the holy image of Atma Swarupa in our heart.
अगले कुछ मिनट तक ध्यानस्थ होकर आत्मस्वरूप का चिंतन करें।
We will continue to be in this state of meditation for few minutes.
ध्यान के पश्चात आरती के साथ समापन करेंगे।
After meditation, Aarti will take place and thereby today's session will end.
आत्मा मालिक।
Gurudev's universal divine dictum. The only truth in this universe, according to Indian philosophy, is the Atma, soul, self, universal energy, consciousness, or God. That is the sole reality. Everything else is perishable. Innumerable changes happen in nature, but the Atma always remains constant. It neither has a beginning nor an end. It is immortal. The Atma, soul, existed before the concept of any other form of God. Contemplation and meditation on the Atma, even for a moment, can lead us towards the experience that we and the Atma are the same, self-realization. This is the same state we seek to achieve by the practice of yoga. The Atma, soul, is present in one and all and resides in our heart. The easiest and the most effective way to attain the state of yoga is to meditate on the Atma in our heart. Since the Atma is formless, without any physical properties, it is easier if we meditate on form, the most effective being that of the Sadguru, one who is constantly absorbed in Atma, and constant meditation on his form in one's heart will surely lead to self-realization. The Atma, soul, is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. It does not belong to any particular country, religion, or caste. Every human being can attain God by means of worship and contemplation on the Atma. Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, Shri Krishna, Guru Nanak, Lord Mahavir, Prophet Zarathustra, the Buddha, and many other saints throughout history all attained self-realization, becoming one with God by constant meditation and contemplation on Atma.
बाहर क्या ढूंढता है ईश्वर वहाँ नहीं है, बाहर क्या ढूंढता है। बाहर क्या ढूंढता है ईश्वर वहाँ नहीं है, कर ले तू खोज दिल में ईश्वर का घर वही है, बाहर क्या ढूंढता है।
आनन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्ति द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वादि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं नमामि। कापुराची आरती करीतो प्रेमे सद्गुरुला, भावे सद्गुरुला, सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहून आनंद झाला हो, सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहून आनंद झाला। देह कर्दळी उकळून शुद्ध कापूर काढिला, कापूर काढिला, भक्ती वडी हाती घेऊन लावू ज्योतीला हो, भक्ती वडी हाती घेऊन लावू ज्योतीला। ज्ञान ज्योती लावूनिया ओवाळू हरिला, हरिला ओवाळू हरिला, चिन्मय रूप पाहुनी तन्मय होतो हरुला हो, चिन्मय रूप पाहुनी तन्मय होतो हरुला। कापुराची आरती करीतो प्रेमे सद्गुरुला, भावे सद्गुरुला, सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहून आनंद झाला हो, सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहून आनंद झाला। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, ब्रह्मांड नायक, ब्रह्मांड नायक, आत्मा सबका मालिक, आत्मा सबका मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। तूच निर्मिले विश्व हे सारे, तू सर्व आधार, तूच निर्मिले विश्व हे सारे, तू सर्व आधार। देवी देवता संत रूपाने तू घेसे अवतार, देवी देवता संत रूपाने तू घेसे अवतार। असूनियाही एक, असूनियाही एक, तुझी रूपे अनेक, तुझी रूपे अनेक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। परम पिता तू आमचा देवा, आम्ही तुझी संतान, परम पिता तू आमचा देवा, आम्ही तुझी संतान। देहाच्या गणगोता मानितो किती आमचे अज्ञान, देहाच्या गणगोता मानितो किती आमचे अज्ञान। हा देह म्हणजे नाही मी, हा देह म्हणजे नाही मी, हे नवते ठाऊक आम्हाला नवते ठाऊक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। देवांचा तू देव आत्मा असून हृदयात, देवांचा तू देव आत्मा असून हृदयात। घालवेला वेळ वाया बाहेर शोधण्यात, घालवेला वेळ वाया बाहेर शोधण्यात। चुकलो देवा क्षमा असावी, चुकलो देवा क्षमा असावी। नमितो मस्तक चरणी नमितो मस्तक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। निराकार तुझ हनुमंताने पाहिले राम रूपात, निराकार तुझ हनुमंताने पाहिले राम रूपात। कुणी पाहती बिंदू रूपात, कुणी ओंकारात, कुणी पाहती बिंदू रूपात, कुणी ओंकारात। आम्ही पाहू तुझला, आम्ही पाहू तुझला हृदयी आत्मरूपात, हृदयी आत्मरूपात। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। दया सागरा दया करी रे लोटू नको दूर, दया सागरा दया करी रे लोटू नको दूर। ध्यानामध्ये तुझ्या चरणी राहू मन स्थिर, ध्यानामध्ये तुझ्या चरणी राहू मन स्थिर। आत्मदर्शन भावे, आत्मदर्शन व्हावे। आता आस हीच एक, आता आस हीच एक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। ब्रह्मांड नायक, ब्रह्मांड नायक, आत्मा सबका मालिक, आत्मा सबका मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक, आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। घालीन लोटांगण वंदीन चरण, डोळान पागिन रूप तुझे। प्रेमी आलिंगन आनंदी पूजन, भावे वाळीन म्हणे नमा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धु सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्याधरं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण वा बुद्धात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् यत्नं सकलपरस्मै नारायणादि समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं, श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्र भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
सदा सर्वदा योग तुझा घडावा, तुझे कारणे देह माझा पडावा. उपेक्षू नको गुणवंता अनंता, सद्गुरु समर्था मागणे हेची आता. ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी मन जाय माझे, त्या त्या ठिकाणी निज रूप तुझे. मी ठेवितो मस्तक ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी, तेथे सद्गुरु पाय तुझेच दोन्ही. सद्गुरु समर्था मी बाळतानी, तुझीच सेवा करू काय जाणी. अन्याय माझे कोट्यान कोटी, सद्गुरु समर्था घालावे पोटी. अनंत कोटी ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगिराज परब्रह्म सच्चिदानंद श्री सद्गुरु विश्वात्मक गुरुदेव की जय.
सबका मालिक
आत्मा,
सबका मालिक
आत्मा,
सबका मालिक
आत्मा.